Most people get this wrong when they try to withdraw from apps like Pocket7Games. They expect instant cash-outs, but then get confused when payments take time or fail due to small mistakes. Here's the truth no one tells you. Most withdrawal problems are not app errors, they are user setup issues. In this video, you'll learn exactly how Pocket7Games Withdrawal works in 2026, step by step, what methods are available, and the mistakes that stop people from getting paid. By the end, you'll know how to cash out correctly without delays or failed requests. Let's start with the basics. Pocket7Games is a skill-based gaming platform where you earn rewards by playing competitive mini-games. Once you reach a minimum balance, you can request a withdrawal depending on your region and account eligibility. Now here's where it gets interesting. The withdrawal process is not just one button click. It depends on three things: your account verification, your selected payout method, and the minimum threshold required for cash out. Step 1 is checking your balance. Before anything else, make sure your earnings meet the minimum withdrawal limit. If you are like Alex and just started playing, you might need to reach a small threshold first before the cash out option unlocks. Step 2 is selecting your withdrawal method. Pocket7Games typically offers options like digital wallets or gift card conversions, depending on your location. The available method can change, so always check what is shown in your app dashboard. But here's the problem many users face. They skip verification. If your account is not properly verified, your withdrawal request may be delayed or rejected. So make sure your profile details match your payment method information exactly. Step 3 is submitting the request. Once you choose your method and enter the amount, confirm the withdrawal. At this stage, most users expect instant approval, but processing times can vary. Some withdrawals are fast, while others may take several business days depending on traffic and verification checks. Now here's what most beginners miss. They assume failure means the app is fake. In reality, most delays come from incorrect details, mismatched accounts, or incomplete verification. For example, Jake once tried withdrawing without confirming his wallet details. His payment was delayed, but after fixing his information, the next withdrawal went through smoothly. That shows how important setup is. Step 4 is tracking your payment. After submission, check your transaction status inside the app. Once approved, funds are sent to your selected method, and you can confirm receipt there. So the full process is simple. Earn rewards, meet the minimum threshold, verify your account, choose a payout method, submit your request, and wait for processing. The key takeaway is this. Pocket7Games Withdrawal in 2026 does work, but only when everything is set up correctly. Most failed withdrawals are avoidable with proper steps. If you follow this process carefully, you avoid delays and confusion, and you get a much smoother cash-out experience. If this helped you understand the process, like the video, leave a comment with your experience, and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of earning apps.